The PlayStation 5 has gotten an update so that you can finally move games to USB storage.
Oh, okay.
And this is a big deal. This is something I've encountered myself in the past with PlayStations. Not having any physical media. Everything is on a internal drive. And you run out of space if you buy a lot of games. And then what you end up doing is deleting and then having to re-download. You want to play the game again. And it's a nuisance. Now, on older PlayStations, you get USB storage, and you actually just keep all your games there, and you launch them and play them from USB storage. But as you know, in the PlayStation 5, you have this really fast storage, which is necessary to play these next-gen titles. So this doesn't sound as good as... It might not be exactly what you want. You're not going to be able to launch your games. Instead, what you're going to be able to do is move them to USB. And then if you want to play them again, move them back to the internal SSD. So you're playing a little bit of musical chairs here.
So it's kind of like cold storage.
You're so crypto right now.
I'm in a mood.
You are so crypto today. It's out of control.
Yeah. To the moon, right?
Because it's faster. It's faster than re-downloading it.
Yes.
Like
absolutely.
not even close. And it also, it just feels like a nicer way to manage your games, to see them all physically there, even if they're not all clickable, playable.
Yeah.
As opposed to having to go back to the store, see what you've purchased, and be like, oh yeah, I have that game. So it would be nice to be able to launch it from the external storage. You can't do it. The internal storage is upgradable, though, if I recall correctly. Although this is such expensive storage, I don't know that anyone's going to do that. So,
right.
Here's the official line from PlayStation. With this feature, you can now transfer your PS5 games to USB extended storage from your console's internal storage. It's a great way to extend storage capabilities of your PS5 console, and you can seamlessly copy your PS5 games back to the console's internal storage when you're ready to play. It is faster to reinstall PS5 games from a USB extended storage than re-download or copy them from disk. But because of the console's ultra high-speed SSD, PS5 titles can't be played from extended storage. It's unfortunate, but I mean, I get it.